Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get free players, how to claim milestone reward of to be Centurions chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap the Centurions event and then jump into the to be Centurions chapters. So, in this To Be Centurions chapter, all you have to do is play this daily skills game and also match game and earn recruitment progress. Up to 100, you can claim recruitment points. After you completing this recruitment points progress, you can purchase recruitment pack. So if you purchase 2 times, you get defenders, 4 times you got midfielders, 6 times you get the attackers, and this is the last one. If you purchase the recruitment pack 7 times, you can get Muller, 94 striker, legendary player from Germany, part of Centurions icon player. Or you can get Javier Mascherano. This is universal rank player. You can use this player to rank up your player with OVR between 90 and 99. So it's up to you if you need, or if you prefer rank up your player, you can choose Mascherano. Or if you need high OVR striker, you can go with Gerd Muller. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.